Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nagamani KN, working as the Assistant Professor at Government First Grade College, KGF. Today I am going to discuss about activity-based costing. Before going to start with the activity-based costing, I will give some introduction. The direct cost includes materials and labor are chargeable to the end products without any difficulty. And indirect cost, it is also called as overhead, which creates some problem for the cost accountant in determining the accurate product cost. Because of some technology and automation, the indirect cost in the manufacturing operations is increasing and direct costs are being neglected to the background. Activity based costing is an upcoming and more refined approach for charging indirect cost to products and computing more accurate product cost. This activity based costing is a new and scientific approach developed by Cooper and Kalpan in the year 1988. Why they have developed means for assigning overhead to end products, jobs and processes. The main aim is to rectify the problem of inaccurate cost information due to selection of wrong basis of indirect cost apportionment. Now we are going to discuss about what is the meaning of activity based costing. This question has given in the year 2018 for section A. What is the meaning of this activity based costing? It is a technique of charging overheads to products, services, jobs, customers, etc. on the basis of benefits received from various indirect activities. Under ABC approach, overheads are first calculated separately for each activity, then are charged to various cost objects such as products, services, etc. on the basis of activities consumed by these cost objects. Next, uses of activity based costing. The first is it provides accurate product costing information. Because of this activity based costing, the management can get the accurate product cost and it is helpful for comparing the profits of various customers product lines and it is helpful to decide for the price strategy. Then the second one is this activity based costing encourage management to redesign the products, and this activity based costing can change the method of evaluation of new process and technologies. Then it reports on the resources spending, how much resources, how much cost they have spent. Exact information is provided by the activity based costing to the management. Then it helps the manager focus their attention on improving the activities and the actions. With the help of that, they can increase the profits. Then it provides accurate information about the product cost and it helpful for the management to take the decisions on pricing, marketing, product design and product mix. And this performance based accurate feedback can be provided to cost center managers with the help of activity based costing information. Terms used in ABC. While doing activity based costing, we are going to use so many terms, but the important terms are activity, cost object, cost driver. First, we will discuss what is the meaning of activity. Activity means particular task or work with specific purpose. The examples are purchase order or setting up of machine, after sale services, maintenance, customer delivery. These are all the activities. Then Cost object. What I mean by this cost object means it is an item for which cost measurement is required. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ? ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಜಾಬ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್. This question has given in the year 2017 for section A. The meaning of cost driver means it is a factor that causes a change in the cost of an activity. For example, number of research projects. This affects the research and development. Or take one more example, number of products serviced. It affects the customer service. That is called as cost driver. See the problem number 1. This problem has given in the year May 2017 for section C. The budgeted overhead and cost driver volumes of XYZ Limited are as follows is given. First one table has given here. First information is cost pool. Cost pool means cost of activities. For that activities budgeted overhead is given. Then cost driver is given. Cost driver means factor that cause a change in the cost of an activity. Then budgeted volume for this cost driver is given. They have identified there are 6 cost of activities or cost of pool is there. For that budgeted overhead is given. The first one is material procurement. For this cost driver is number of orders. Material handling for this cost driver is number of movements. Setups for this cost driver is number of setups. Maintenance for this cost driver is maintenance hours. Quality control for this cost driver is number of inspections. Machinery for this cost driver is number of machine hours. The company has produced a batch of 250 components of products X. Company 250 components products X produce ಮಾಡಿದೆ. The material cost were rupees 60,000. ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ 250 ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಲು 60,000 ಆಗಿದೆ, ಲೇಬರು 1 lakh ಆಗಿದೆ. ದ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಾಲೋಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸು ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ 10 ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್, ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್ 320, ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 10, ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್ 15, setups 13, machine hours 800. ಈ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? 250 ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. Calculate cost driver rates and as ascertain the cost of the batch of components of product X using activity based costing. By using the activity based costing, we need to calculate cost driver rate and also the cost of the batch of components of product X. ಎಷ್ಟು batch of components ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು? 250 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ರೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See the solution for the problem number 1. First we need to calculate the cost driver rate. Formula for calculating the cost driver rate is total cost of activity divided by cost driver rate. ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 6 ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಕ್ಯೂರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 57,200. For this cost driver is number of orders 100. 57,200 divided by 100 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 572 will come. Next, material handling 24,000. For this cost driver rate is number of movements 60. 24,000 divided by 60, 400. Next, setup 40,000 is given. For this the cost driver is Number of setups 50. 40,000 divided by 50, 800. Next, maintenance. 90,000 is given. For this cost driver is maintenance hour 900. 90,000 divided by 900, 100 is the cost driver rate. Next, quality control 18,000 is given. For this cost driver is number of inspection 80. 18,000 divided by 80, cost driver is 225. Next, machinery 72,000 is given. For this cost driver is number of machine hours 2400. 72,000 divided by 2400, cost driver rate is 30. For the purpose of calculating cost driver rate, the formula is total cost of activity divided by cost driver. After calculating cost driver rate, next we need to calculate what is the total cost of the batch of component X. Here the batch size is given 250 components. Company has produced 250 components of product X. For this we are going to calculate what is the total cost. In the problem there are two direct expenses are given. One is material cost 60,000 and labor cost 1 lakh. So direct material is 60,000 we have written here. Direct labor 1 lakh. If we add these two, 1,60,000 will come. That is called as prime cost. Direct material plus direct labor is the prime cost. For this prime cost, we need to add indirect expenses or overheads. What are the overheads that is given here? Here in the problem it is given the usage activities of the said batch are as follows. One by one it is given. ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ for producing 250 components ಅಂತ detail ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The first one is material order 10 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Material order 10 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ this is the number of orders. This number of order is the cost driver for material procurement. Okay, material procurement number of orders is 10. Then 572 is the cost driver rate what we have calculated. 10 into 572, 5,720. The next one is material handling. For this cost driver rate is number of movements. Number of movements here it is given 10. 10 into cost driver rate we have calculated 400. Multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next machine setups. For machine setups cost driver rate is number of setups. Number of setups used for the 250 components is 13. 13 into cost driver rate we have calculated 800. 13 into 800, 10,400 will come. Then maintenance. For maintenance, the cost driver rate is maintenance hours. Maintenance hours for producing 250 components is 320 and cost driver rate is 100. If you multiply 320 into 100, 32,000 will come. Then quality control. For this cost driver rate is cost driver is number of inspection. Number of inspections is for 250 components is 15 into cost driver rate is 225 we have calculated here. 15 into 225, 3,375 will come. Then the last one is the machinery. For this machinery cost driver is number of machine hours. Number of machine hours for producing 250 components is 800 we have written into cost driver rate for machinery is 30. 800 into 30, 24,000. After that we have to add all these overheads. Indirect expenses ಏನೇನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then we need to put it in the outer column. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 79,495. Then prime cost plus overheads is the total cost. Total cost is here 2,39,495 for producing 250 components. See the problem number 2. A company manufactures two products A and B using common facilities. Company is using the common facilities and they are producing two products A and B. The following cost data for a month are presented to you. So cost details are given for a month and they are producing two products, that is A and B. The information is given separately. Units produced, A is 1000 and B is 2000. Direct labor hours per unit 2 and 3 is given. Machine hour per unit 6 and 1.5 is given. Next, setup of machines 15 and 50 is given. Orders 18 and 70 is given separately for A and B. Then machine activity expenses for A and B 3 lakh is given. Then setup related expenses 30,000. Expenses relating to orders 35,000. Calculate the overheads per unit absorbed using activity based costing approach. Here we need to calculate the overheads per unit na calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು by using the above information. Here first identify what are the activities. There are three activities are given: machine activity expenses, setup related expenses, expenses relating to order. For these three activities we need to identify what are the cost driver. For example, machine activity expenses. The cost driver is machine hours. But here machine hours per unit is given. We need to convert this machine hours per unit to total machine hours. Next, setup related expenses. For this activity, cost driver is setup of machines. Next, expenses relating to orders. For this, the cost driver is orders. So, by using this information, we are going to calculate overheads per unit by using activity based costing approach. Problem number 2 solution. See, problem number 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. That it is given separately for A and B. A and B ಗೆ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಷೀನ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಷೀನ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಮಷೀನ್ ಅವರ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಮಷೀನ್ ಅವರ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಷೀನ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಎಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಷೀನ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಷೀನ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವೆರಡನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಷೀನ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಷೀನ್ ಅವರ್ ಪರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಈಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟು machine hour per unit. A, number of units produced is 1000 is given, machine hour per unit 6. If you multiply, 6000 will come. Then for B, units produced 2000 units into machine hour per unit 1.5, 3000 will come. Total machine hours A plus B 9000 will come. Then the second one is number of setups is given in the problem separately for A and B. A ಗೆ 15 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, B ಗೆ 50 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 65 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is the total number of setups. And the third one is number of orders. It is given separately for A and B. A 18 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, B 70 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 88 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is total number of orders. After calculating total cost driver, now we are going to calculate the cost driver rate. The formula for calculating cost driver rate is total cost of activity divided by cost driver. There are three activities that is given in the problem. The first one is machine activity expenses. Machine activity expenses 3 lakhs it is given in the problem, divided by cost driver. Which is the cost driver for machine activity expenses? Total machine hours that we have calculated 9,000. So 3 lakh divided by 9,000, 33.333 will come. Next activity is setup of machine. Setup related expenses it is given in the problem 30,000, and total number of setup is the cost driver. We have calculated here, see, total number of setups 65. 30,000 divided by 65, 461.5385 will come. This is the cost driver rate. Next, the third one is expenses related to orders. It is given 35,000 divided by cost driver. Cost driver for expenses related expenses is total number of orders. 88 we have calculated. 35,000 divided by 88, cost driver rate is 397.7273. After calculating cost driver rate, next we are going to calculate overhead cost per unit under activity based costing. Whenever we are calculating the overhead cost per unit, we are going to calculate it separately. That is, here two products are given, product A and product B. For product A and for product B, we are calculating separately. Then here see, product A 1000 units that is given in the problem, and for product B 2000 number of units produced is given, that we have written here. Then under product A there are two columns required, that is total in rupees, per unit in rupees. Then for product B also two columns it is required, total in rupees and per unit in rupees. First activity, that is the machine activity expenses. For machine activity expenses, machine hours we have calculated for A, see here, that is 6,000 into cost driver rate is 33.333 will come. So total amount is 2 lakh. Then we need to calculate per unit. The formula for calculating per unit is amount divided by number of units. Amount is here 2 lakh, number of units 1000, 200 will come. Same method we have to follow for B, that is 3000. Machine hours for B is 3000, we have calculated here. 3000 into cost driver rate 33.333, 1 lakh will come. Then per unit we need to calculate. The formula is amount divided by number of units, that is 1 lakh divided by 2050 will come. Next, setup related expenses. Here setup related expenses, the cost driver is number of setups. Number of setups for A 15 is given in the problem that we have taken, into cost driver rate we have calculated for setup of machine, that is 461.5385. Multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 6923 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then we need to calculate the per unit. 6923 divided by number of units 1000, 6.923 will come. Then same method here also we are following for B, that is setup related expenses. Cost driver is total number of setups. Number of setups for B is 50, that we have written here, into 461.5385. This is the cost driver rate. ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದನ್ನ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 23,076.925 will come. Then per unit we need to calculate amount divided by number of units, 11.538 will come. Next, order related expenses. For this, cost driver is number of orders. For A it is given 18 and for B 70. So A ಇದು 18 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ರೇಟು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ 397.7273. If you multiply, it will come 7,159. Then calculate the per unit, amount divided by number of units. Here per unit is 7.159 will come. Then for B, number of orders is 70, it is given in the problem. into cost driver rate we have calculated 397.7273. Amount is 27,840.911 will come. Then per unit we need to calculate amount divided by number of units 13.920 will come. Then total overhead cost for product A is 2,14,082 and per unit is 214.082, and for product B total overhead cost is 1,50,917.836 and overhead cost per unit for product B is 75.458. Problem number 3 and problem number 4 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 2018 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4 ಮಾಡಿರೋದು 2019 ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2017 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ABC ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 6th ಸೆಮ್ BComಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ 3 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದನೂ 17, 18, 19ಗೆ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಮು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.